Hey guys, it's Ivan. It's time for Dollar General's 5 off 25 Saturday deal. Today is Saturday. I am going to do a deal that I am going to resell. So if you want to get some pointers on how you can resell some deals that you go in here and do your bundles, come on with me because today is today. Let's go. So this year, guys, I decided to do a couple of things a little different. One, I want to make some money off of my bundles. Two, I want to keep in mind that it's two things I need to remember when I go in here and I'm selling bundles. Price to sell, what I feel comfortable selling, and price to buy, what my customers feel comfortable buying, okay? So let's get in here. So we're going to do a gain sale bundle because this is what people buy most of. They buy a lot of gain. So I'm going to pick up this Febreze Gain Original Mist. And if you look at my 5 off 25 Saturday scenario video that came out on Friday, you will see this deal, okay? So let's scan it. And we see that that is $3.50. And we have a $2 coupon. So we're going to pick that up. We're going to come right here to our Mr. Clean. Mr. Clean is on sale for buy one, get one free. And that is the deal that we're going to take advantage of. Okay, so scan it always. When you see it is $6, there you go. Buy one, get one free, I'm going to say, because it says save $6 and it's $6. So it is buy one, get one free. Pick up the two gain ones. Remember, keep your mind on the deal that you're going to sell. Now, if you don't want to do this to buy BOGO, you can do this one right here. It is the Mr. Clean for $4.25. And when I scan it, I see that it's $4. And this coupon expires the day, and it is 2 for $6. So if you want to, you can do those, but I don't think they come in gain. And the one that I always pick up on this one is the antibacterial, and this is one of the better ones. But I'm going to grab these also, but they're going to be for a later deal that I'm going to do, okay? A later bundle that I'm going to do, okay? Now, you're doing the deal today because it's a good deal. You can sell the bundle whenever, right? That is the key points you need to remember when selling bundles. Now, let's come right here to the gain. Pick up this gain right here. Scan it. When we scan it, we see it's $4.50. They have a couple of deals going on. We're going to look at this one that's 3 for $10. Now, I want more detergent than I do fabric sheets. So I'm actually, because this is glitching and you can pick up all three. We're going to pick up 2 of these, but I don't want this one. I want the original Gain. So here we go. And you have 1 Gain fabric softener right here that you can also pick up, right? Now we're going to scan that. We scanned. Let's do the pricing of it. Make sure you clip your 5 off 25 because this is where you're doing a deal, but you want to spend as less as possible out of pocket. So please clip your 5 off 25, guys. Now let's do the deal. How do you calculate the one that's 3 for $10? Where they are originally $4.75. But when we scan it, let's scan it. It's going to show us that they're selling it for $4.50. So you're going to go $4.50 3 times. $4.50 times 3, which is $13.50. Now you're going to add the rest of your things on. And why are we doing this? Because this is down to $10. They're going to take off $3.50. We need to cover that $3.50, okay? Then we're going to do the 2 Mr. Cleans at $6 each. And then we're going to do the Febreze at $3.50 each. Takes us to $29. We are there. We made it because we go up to $25 for the 5 off 25, but we up to $29. So we covered that $3.50. The first thing is going to come off, guys, is going to be that $3.50 that they adjusted this down to, right? So that's going to come off of there. Then that 5 off 25 is going to come off. And then the $6 off the Mr. Clean Gain, and then the $2 off the Febreze is going to come out. It's going to leave you at $12.50. Now this entire deal is $12.50. Now remember, they used to sell 4 of these for $12.50, so now they're down to 3 for $10. Okay, so that's $12.50. Let's divide that by 6. You're going to pay $2.08, but can get that lower if you have money in your wallet, which I have $6 in my wallet, so I'm going to also use that today. Now, do I do calculations about my mileage and gas and all that? No, I do not. If you don't want the liquid, you could also do the Gain Tango. It's included in that deal, as you can see right here. Now this, guys, have not been working for me, but it's a DG coupon. The reason why I didn't hit it is because it'll take it off, because it's over $25, and I did not go up to $30. Okay, so that's why I'm not going to try and stack that deal. Now, since I have another coupon in here that is also expiring, and it is a Dollar General coupon, I'm going to pick up a Gain liquid, and I want to see if they have a regular Gain. I try to keep my bundles all the same, guys. If I do not have, if the store don't have that product, I do not push it, because I have products at home. I can always pair another one with it. All right, so what you do is move on, use your deals, because remember, we're not selling this deal today. We're getting the deal because it's a good price today. So that's originally, this Gain deal was $29, and we got it down to $12.50. So let's minus that $12.50. That is what your lingering price is, $16.50. Now, are you going to sell it for $16.50? Heck no, I'm never going to tell you to do a deal like this and sell it for $16.50. Now, if it was just a couple of things, yes. This deal right here, I will sell this for $25. So let's put it up to $25 divided by 6. They'll be paying $4.16 for each product. People will buy this. In fact, I got 2 Gain people that I can shop this off to right now. Okay, if you want to make it sweeter, you can find more Gain products to add to it. You can add tissue to it. You can add a Mr. Clean Freak to it. Heck, you could have added more of these. So now the $16.50 is what you saved, but you want to darn it get your entire sale back. So that is $29 our total. I will sell it for $25. That's an awesome deal. Now let's mosey on over here to the BOGO deal right here. You can come right here. You can get this Swiffer. Buy one, get one free. Remember that. That was buy one, get one free, right? You put these 2 together, these large ones in that deal, easily go up to $40 on them, easily. And let's scan it and see, it's $10. And that BOGO deal, I think that's over. No, it's not over until the 7th. I use my coupon. That's what it is. That's not over until the 7th. So you still, if you have that coupon, use it. Now remember, what did I say? Price that's comfortable for you to sell, price that's comfortable for them to buy. They will buy that, guys, for $25. Okay, guys, now remember, that's just a synopsis of how I will sell my bundle. Nothing is written in stone. Remember, I live in Illinois. Taxes are way high in Illinois than in other states. You're going to go with the 2 things I told you. Remember, price comfortable to sell, price comfortable for your customer to buy. That is what you're going to go with. I am in Dunkin' Donut line, guys. I'm not driving, so, I'm not on the street part, all right? But that is how that deal will go. It's not written in stone. Remember, you got the deal today, but you can sell it at a later date. Add more to it if you want to, which I would probably add more to it. But if I would sell just that bundle in my state, I will sell that for $25, and it will sell very well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit like, subscribe, share Ivy's Coupon Camp, and always remember, guys, it is how you arrange your bundles. You could look at a ton of people, but if you're in a demographic where they're not going to buy it for that price, rearrange your bundle. Don't give up. You can save tons of money by selling bundles, because I've done it before and I'm doing it again. Bye.